Hi, welcome to Home Mechanics, and we're going to do a basic PVC glue joint. One of the activities that the students will be doing is creating a square. Kevin Tobin is the one that did this. We have an elbow, a T, and an elbow. We will pressure test at the end to make sure the joints are correct and non-leaking. One of the things I want to just point out on this, and sorry Kevin that I'm pointing you out on this, we really want to keep it as clean as possible, especially with this purple cleaner that we'll be using on it, which is just sort of a softener so the glue can adhere. We want to make sure that we keep it a little bit cleaner. The first thing I'm going to do is cut one of the ends off, or cut a distance. And what I'm going to do is I usually like to take and rotate the piece and cut down into a straight line. Again, I'm going to cut another one. Takes a little bit of pressure. Two pieces. Good cut. I'm going to be opening up the cleaner. It's really a two-part process. This is a PVC primer or cleaner you'll see. And here's the glue. Okay, PVC cement. Now, we do not have the smaller cans. In the field, this is going to happen. You have to improvise with what you have. For this process, what we're going to do, we can clean the outside of our pipe. And I'll go to the 1/2 inch to clean around both sides. Again, this is purple for a reason, so we can see it. They also have a clear piping that you can use, or a clear cleaner. Again, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. This stuff should be covered up at all times because of the nature of the fumes that come off of it. The next part, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the fitting. In this case, I'm just going to use a flux brush, clean the inside, clean the inside. Now, with these flux brushes, you've got to also understand that these will not be able to be used again because they are going to start to disintegrate. The next phase we're going to do is get ready to put our pipes together. Again, I'm going to grab one of the fittings and one of the pipes. Run a 1/2 inch on the outside. I will not be able to get the pipe on the inside or the fitting on, so I'm going to use my flux brush again. Wipe it on the inside. One of the most important things you need to do is when I put these together, I want to push it in to where it's tight. I want to turn it about 1/2 to 1/4 inch and hold it for at least 30 seconds. The problem what ends up happening, especially with bigger pipes, is you will see it starting to back out on you. All right? A lot of people don't do this, and there ends up having a tendency for leaking, especially for sanitary lines. Repeat the process for the elbow. I'm going to use the brush again. Again, I'm always taking and I'm double coating. Double coating means I'm putting a coat on the pipe and the inside of the fitting. Again, I'm going to push it in, turn it 1/4 of a turn in case I missed any spots, and I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. Now, reviewing the process that we said before, I showed you the pencil marking on the copper piping. When I'm measuring my units, I can do it two ways. I can measure from inside fitting to inside fitting and add an inch, which gives me a ½ inch and a ½ inch in. Otherwise, I can mark it in and hold my tape from a ½ inch point over to a ½ inch point over. We always want to get at least a ½ inch bearing inside each one of the fittings. Is there any questions? I didn't think so. You guys have a wonderful educational journey, and welcome to Home Maintenance.